guys, it's me, Laura D, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be day 3 of our 31 days of Nailtober. I have a Born Pretty haul for you guys, and this haul includes some stamping palettes, some crystals, and some other fun stuff. So first up we have these black rhinestones, or gray, blackish gray rhinestones. This is what they look like inside their little container, and I'm going to show you what they look like spread out on my coaster thing. I got another set of these rhinestones, but it's a different shape than the first one, and this is what it looks like. Next up we have this moon, star, and pearl set, and I actually love this set. It is so cute, and I plan on doing a nail set with it in October. It will be one of my videos. So I got this little wheel of like bars and stuff, and they looked really cute, and I was really excited to use them. I possibly am not using them correct because they're too small. Like, I don't know, it's weird at the cuticle because it doesn't reach all the way around. It's weird in the middle because it doesn't go all the way across. I'm probably not going to use them. Now we have our first Halloween stamping plate. So I'm super excited to use these. I have so many ideas planned for October looks. So this next stamping plate has some planets on it, some constellations. These things on the bottom row, I don't know what to call them, but to me they look like dream catchers, and they're super cute. The only issue is you have to, like, whoever wants to use them has to be using a fairly long nail, or else they won't be able to get that whole picture, but they're still super cute. Ooh, so I got this little circle stamping plate that has like the flames on it, and I thought that would be a good idea in case, like, I have some flame stickers, right, but if I run out of flame stickers, then I'll have this little flame stamp, and I haven't tried it yet, but hopefully it'll look really cute and it'll work out the way I wanted it to. I also got this wheel of hearts. It comes with black, red, and pink. I was really just thinking about Valentine's Day looks when I got that. I have a problem. Like, I can't just get, well, I did because I don't have money to spend on a whole year worth of nail art, but I just want it all the time. So the package comes with this pretty card that says Born Pretty on the front. When you open it up, it says essentially it says thank you for choosing Born Pretty, and you can earn points per review that you do. So here it says one product review is 5 points, one photo review is 10 points, and one video review is 50 to 200 points. 100 points equals $1. That's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys are getting excited for some of the Halloween looks that I have coming up. See you tomorrow for day 4 of 31 Days of Nailtober.